Hi guys, Ashish this side. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the scholarships in Germany. Though in this video I'll be telling you about the top 10 to 15 scholarships, but then these scholarships will give you a fair idea on what kind of scholarships that are available, and then you can research on your own on the basis of the universities and courses you are opting for. So with that, let's see the scholarships. So you have DAAD scholarships in Germany for development. This is the German Academic Exchange Service. DAAD provides a scholarship for international students for a range of postgraduate courses at German universities. So now let's see what is the eligibility. So these scholarships are open to graduates with at least 2 years of professional experience. So you must have 2 years of experience for this scholarship. What do they offer? So depending on academic level, monthly payment 850 euro for graduate, 1200 euros for doctoral candidates. Payment toward health, accidental, personal liability insurance cover, travel allowance, and a lot of things are covered. And the deadline is that varies depending on the program you are enrolled in, because this offers for graduates also as well as for PhD. Next you have is Heinrich Ball scholarship. The scholarship department of Heinrich Ball Foundation grants a scholarship to undergraduates, graduates and doctoral students from inside and outside Germany. Eligibility: so these scholarships are open to international students, both EU and non-EU, regardless of prior German education. Non-EU students will be awarded up to 850 euro per month plus various individual allowances. EU students will be awarded 649 euro plus 300 euros of book money per month. The deadline for this scholarship is 1st of March. Next you have is the Deutschland Stipendium. The Deutschland Stipendium provides financial and non-material support to high achieving and committed students from all over the world. Modeled after the principle of public-private partnership, foundations or private individuals sponsor young talent with pledge of 150 euros per month. This scholarship is open to international students. Recipients will be awarded 300 euros per month for international top class talent. Next you have is Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, something like that. Awards a scholarship to international master's students and graduates in order to enable study and research at universities in Germany. And the eligibility for this scholarship is that student must be under 30 years of age and have B2 German proficiency to qualify for these scholarships. Recipient will be awarded a monthly scholarship of 1200 euros and other multiple subsidies. Next you have is master's student, which is Hamburg University of Applied Sciences provides this. So this scholarship is academically strong international students studying in master's degree program. Eligibility is that this scholarship is open to students meeting the following criteria. International master's student as Hamburg Hamburg have completed their school education abroad or successfully graduated from Student College. So Student Colleges, if you see my study in Germany series, then I have talked in detail about the Student College. So Germany has a 4 years of graduation, and first year is known as the foundation year, which is also known in German language Student College. So the award for this scholarship is recipient will be awarded 1800 euros per semester. Then the deadline is April 30th for summer semester and October 30th for winter semester. Then you have regional scholarship for master's program at ESMT Berlin in Germany. ESMT Berlin is offering regional scholarship for international students. These scholarships are available for students pursuing master's program in management. So the eligibility for this scholarship is, it varies depending on scholarship. For full eligibility you can visit the website's official page. Then recipients will be awarded up to 5000 euro for this scholarship. The deadline varies depending on the scholarship. Next you have is Friedrich Ebert Foundation Award. The promotion of young talent has been one of the founding principles of FES. So at the time when Friedrich Ebert was elected as the first president of Weimar Republic. So if you have watched my study abroad scholarship series, then I told you the types of scholarship. You have universities offering scholarship, you have government offering scholarship, you have private charitable organizations offering scholarship, and then you have individual donors also offering scholarship. So with that you can relate with the kind of scholarships that are available. So Eligibility for this scholarship is open to foreign applicants who are already studying or doing their postgraduate studies in Germany at the time of application. The award recipients of the basic scholarship program will be awarded 750 euros per month. Recipients of the graduate scholarship award will be awarded 1200 euros per month, and the deadline for this is September. Next you have is Reporters Without Border Rest and Refuge Scholarship. So this scholarship is a project run by Reporters Without Borders Germany and Taz Panther Group. So it's a newspaper in Germany. So they have come together to provide a scholarship. So this is basically for reporters who have worked in war areas, in unrest areas, civil war areas, and then want a break. So this actually provides a 3 months of break in Germany. So recipients will be awarded travel expenses, accommodation, free transportation in Berlin for up to 3 months and a monthly stipend of 1000 euros. The deadline for this is June. So these were the scholarships in Germany. Now I understand that you may have certain queries also. So I have given the details in description on how you can contact us for your queries, so check that. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe, like this video, comment, share with your friends. This channel has a lot of content on study abroad, be it different countries, be it different courses, universities and much more, which you can explore. I'll see you soon in one more scholarship video on a different country. Till then, stay connected.